If you want to delete your Google Gemini chat history, this video will walk you through the process step by step on desktop and in your Google account activity settings. Whether you only want to remove a single conversation or clear everything at once, I'll show you the quickest and safest way to do it. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that contains the chats you want to remove. Once you're inside Gemini, look at the left sidebar where your recent chat titles are listed. To delete just one conversation, hover your mouse over the chat title you want to remove. When the three-dot menu appears, click it and then select Delete. Gemini will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and approve the deletion. That conversation will then be removed from your chat list. If you only needed to delete one or a few chats, that's all you have to do. But if your goal is to erase your entire Gemini chat history, you need to clear your Gemini App Activity from your Google account. To do that, open a new tab and go to myactivity.google.com/product/Gemini. This page shows the activity tied to Gemini for your Google account. Again, double-check that you're signed into the correct account before making any changes. Once the page loads, look for the Delete button above your activity list. Click Delete and you'll see a few options. To remove everything, choose All Time. This will clear all of your past Gemini prompts and responses from your activity history. After selecting All Time, confirm the action when Google asks you to make sure you really want to delete it. Once confirmed, Google will begin removing your Gemini activity. Just keep in mind that this process can take a moment to fully update across your account. And that's it. You now know how to delete a single Gemini chat or wipe your full Gemini chat history from your Google activity settings. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy walkthrough like this.